Hi, welcome to Sabbu's kitchen. One can't really talk on the number of varieties in Pani Puri. Whatever varieties, it is enjoyable. Today from Sabbu's kitchen, preparing fruity Pani Puri shots.
The ingredients are puris 20, pineapple juice 300 ml, sprouts 150 grams, chopped pineapple 150 grams, salt 1 spoon, sugar 2 tablespoons, chili powder half spoon, save 50 grams, green chutney 1 tablespoon, mint or coriander leaves 1 tablespoon. Firstly, add sugar, salt and chili powder to the pineapple juice and mix it well and keep it aside. In a bowl, add chopped pineapple, sprouts and green chutney. Mix it well. You can replace orange juice with pineapple juice. Stuff the mixture in puris, add save on top and garnish with coriander. Enjoy the puri with fruity shots.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.